There is no evidence on the record to show that, respondents number 5 and 6 offered on paid hisabtai for the said period to the petitioners full stop. This fact was not contradicted as held by the executive district officer revenue or the member judicial, board of revenue, nor by the deputy district officer revenue full stop, when it was established on the record that, if a tenant failed to offer or pay the rent or defaults in the same rendered himself to be ejected full stop. The order objection raised that, the petitioners filed on suit for recovery or arrears and for ejectment at the same time, hence, maintainable, which has no force full stop, as it has been held in full stop. It is a landlord did not to seek remedy of recovery of rent by way of filing suit regarding ejectment of tenant on the ground that defaulter or non-payment of rent full stop. The remedy of suit would not be barred under the law full stop. It is settled law that suit can be filed with joint prayers full stop. Similarly, it was decided in revenue, that since for the recovery of rent and arrears can be consolidated and decided by the revenue authorities in on suit full stop. Learned counsel for respondent number 5 and 6 has failed to controvert the contentions raised by learned counsel for the petitioner full stop. The law cited by the learned counsel for the respondent number 5 and 6 is not applicable to the facts and circumstances of the press case full stop. Impugned order passed by member judicial, board of revenue does not appears to be a judicial order full stop. The member judicial, board of revenue should have maintained order full stop. This offer promised to pay the rent in future was never put to the petitioners to seek their consent in that future was never put to be petitioners to seek their consent full stop. The petitioners never consented to the order passed by the member judicial, board of revenue full stop. It is settled law that, if order passed by the subordinate courts are against law or facts full stop, the same cannot be set aside, even with the consent of the parties, no order against law can be passed full stop. In the present case, the petitioners never consented to the offer or consent given the respondents number 5 and 6, thus impugned order passed by the member judicial, board of revenue suffers from material illegality full stop.